Chiwawa la moglie che scroccia.
So that was Mecrab with Martini, Chiwawa, Gazpacho. That sounds like a very full evening to me. And Mecrab is from Mousehole in Cornwall, and you can find more of his stuff on SoundCloud. The only thing I know about Mousehole in Cornwall, I've been to Cornwall a bunch of times, but I've never actually been to Mousehole, is that there's a really cute animation called the Mousehole Cat, which me and my family used to watch when we were younger. And it's about this fisherman who bravely goes out and gets a bunch of fish for this starving village. Random little aside there, but still, check out more of Mecrab stuff on SoundCloud. Next up, we got a track from Sixfingerz, and it's called The Devil Man. Check it out.
Shine. You may be high, you may be low, you may be rich, you may be poor, but when it's all the devil.
So that was Sixfingerz with The Devil Man. It's so nice to hear that old slide guitar sound remixed like that. I think that's a great track. So that guy, Sixfingerz, is from Antwerp in Belgium, and you can find more of his music on SoundCloud. If you don't use SoundCloud and you're a fan of music, then you really should go to SoundCloud to find more artists, because it's just an incredible place to find some of the most talented performers alive today. Now, next up, I've got Mr. B, the Gentleman Rhymer, with a track called They Don't Allow Rappers in the Bullingdon Club. And I think this is just one of those songs where when you hear the title of it, you're like, this is going to be good. I know I'm going to enjoy this. So check it out. This is Mr. B.
A suitable term. When I was in my cap and gown, little did I learn. Working up my forte, I longed for something naughty. By nature I was haughty, and one thing the school had taught me was to make a line seize within the diocese. Find those who might assist me in getting what I need. After weeks of hanging around, awaiting arty types, I chanced upon a blonde scruff spouting out a tripe. Boris the Peffel, said he, by way of introduction. Want to join the chaps and I at a private function? Charms, said I. Who are these chums? All the tops around here pretend that they are in the slums. The Buller boy, said he, in a fuller voice, come see. He put a choice to me, and I couldn't hoist a plea against pulling up a seat with a fully fledged elite. So I put a plan to heed that his band should include Mr. B. He asked, what do you do? I'm the gentleman rhymer, I proclaimed. I've heard of you, said he, then my position was explained. You want to raise hell, be placed well, but here's the rub. They don't allow rappers in the Bullingdon Club. I have the relevant qualities to be a buller boy. I'm disrespectful to those in my employ. I can smash up a lamp or slash on a tramp. Take cash for questions when I should be sectioned. Have my CV espoused, buy buck house. Use my reading for party leading. I could take a bung, but watch my tongue. Use cricket as a front for being rather blunt. Take the spoils without a day of toil. Even then, they won't let me be their foil. Now, Boris knew his classics, but was clearly simple. Dave inspired desire, but just to punch him in the dimples. His gait was airy-fairy and his plans unsound. And little Georgie never even bought around. Come to think of it, I didn't want their jobs. And why would Mr. B hang around with such knobs? You can listen to the Smiths, but they're far from the piss. I'm heading for a snob, and they don't allow rappers in the Bullingdon Club. My trousers are sharp and my tie is neat, but still Mr. B is far too straight, and they don't allow rappers in the Bullingdon Club.
That track is from the Tweed album, and it's called They Don't Allow Rappers in the Bullingdon Club. That was Mr. B, the Gentleman Rhymer there. Now, looking at the set list for tonight's show, I've noticed that I have 3 Misters on the show. Mr. B, the Gentleman Rhymer, who you just heard. Earlier on, we had Mr. Edwardz, and also we had Mr. Profound as well. So after that trio of Misters, it's time now to hear from a doctor. This is Dr. Stereo with Jet to Panama. bringing us some tasty Latin rhythms there. That was Dr. Stereo with Jet to Panama. Dr. Stereo is from Buenos Aires in Argentina, and you can hear more music from him on SoundCloud. Now, we've only got time for 3 more tracks before the end of the show. Before I play those tracks, I just want to say thank you ever so much to everyone who is tuning in live right now, and also to all of you tuning in on demand. Without the support of you guys, there'd be no point in doing these shows, so I really, really appreciate it. Next up, we've got a track from Michael Lener, and it's called Boombox.